I'm expecting a lot of rain tonight and tomorrow, so it should be fun. And I've been on the trail for a while, so double the fun. Let's get going. I'm in the Maryland section of the Appalachian Trail, standing on Weaverton Cliffs right now, one of the best views in Maryland. And down in that river down there, I actually do some smallmouth fishing. I think I'm going to bring a couple more videos later this year of me fishing in the river and then coming up here and camping. This is the first view. I'm only headed in a few miles to camp. Okay, well, I'm up on the ridge here doing a little ridge walking, and it's just drizzling a little bit. Hasn't gotten real bad yet, but I think in the next couple hours it's going to start raining heavier, so I'm trying to get to camp and get the tarp and hammock set up. As you can see, I've got camp all set up, ready to go for the night. Show you what I got going here. Got my little workstation down here, nice flat rock, cook kit, food bag, water filter, all that fun stuff. My pack there, my little ground sheet slash rain kilt slash everything else I use it for. Got my DIY hammock, DIY pillow in here. And we've got a Hammock Gear incubator 40 degree full length and a Hammock Gear 50 degree top quilt right here. Little gear organizer and a little light for later. I got my rain jacket hanging up, and we're going in porch mode right now because the rain has just been drizzling all day. It hasn't been too bad yet. I'm anticipating that later, so we'll crank her down later if need be. But pretty much this is my site. Looking over this valley here with a couple little farms down in there, and you come back over here, and the Appalachian Trail is about 50 yards that way or so through the woods. Anyway, I'll show you the view from the hammock that I've got. Oh, let me sit down here. And this is the view from the hammock. Pretty nice. So as I was sitting here under the tarp, took my shoes off, and I just happened to look at them, and I think this is going to be the last trip for these guys. It's pretty bad. Yeah. They're getting retired after this one. Okay, well, while I lay in the hammock, I'm going to cook up some Texas Stay Fair chili, my favorite backpacking meal. And what I'm going to do is fill up my little stove here. Save a little bit for the morning. Now we shall light that. There she goes. Okay, 1.5 cup of water. Put you right there. Put the lid on top and wait her out. Okay. By the way, if you're looking for a cheap, lightweight, warm drink cup, these little Nature Valley oatmeals make the perfect, lightweight, cheap cup. And I love the oatmeal, so it's a bonus. Alright, let me get to it. Oh, I do believe we have a boil. Oh yeah. Let's do this. Let's take you off of there. Put you into the cozy. Okie dokie. Take my hot water here. Okay. All sealed up. We'll shake. Take the pot out of cozy. Put the chili in. And let air out real quick. Fold her over. Seal her up. Little top on her. And we got like 20 minutes. Okay, well, we're gonna put those cheese chunks in there. Give them a little stir. Let them melt up nice. And then we'll put the Fritos in. Cheesy. Tell me that doesn't look delicious. Oh man. Alright, so the crunchiness of the Fritos mixed with the cheese melted and the flavor of this chili is just, it's the best, hands down. So I packed this cheeseburger in from McDonald's earlier on my drive up, and I tell you what, cold cheeseburger is better than no cheeseburger any day. Well, good morning. Just got up a few minutes ago, got my food bag, and I'm enjoying laying here in the hammock without having to rush to get up and hike, since I'm just walking back to the car. And if I go early, I'll hit all the traffic of everyone going to the city for work, so I'm just going to hang out for a while. And we are about to create a moment together. Just cooking up a little breakfast here. The rain finally stopped about 2 hours ago in the middle of the night. And now I'm just sitting in the hammock enjoying it before I pack up and leave.